Hello everyone, hope all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the detailed syllabus of business studies for the class 12th session 2023-24. The total marks of this subject is divided into two segments. The segment number one is theory, 80 marks, and the project work is of 20 marks. The theory, main concentration on theory now. The theory is divided into two parts, part A and part B. The part A is of principles and functions of management. The part B is business, finance, and marketing. The part A is divided into 8 chapters, is of total 50 marks, and part B is divided into 4 chapters, is of 30 marks. There is a clubbing of chapter. Chapter 1, 2, and 3rd is of 16 marks, 4th and 5th of 14 marks, 6, 7, and 8, majority of mark 20 marks. Chapter number 9 and 10, 15, 11 and 12, 15. Total 80 marks of theory and 20 marks of project. Let us discuss the syllabus in detail. Chapter number 1 से आपको क्या डिस्कस करना है? Simple concept, management का meaning, objective and importance. One definition you must go through. Any definition you can take. Simple definition is management is the art of getting the thing done. And the objectives are 3: organizational, personal, and social objective. Importance we will discuss later. So first chapter में आपको यही 3 टॉपिक मेन कंसंट्रेट करने हैं. दूसरा है इसमें मैनेजमेंट एज अ साइंस, आर्ट एंड प्रोफेशन. नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल एंड बॉटम लेवल. Next is functions of management, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling. Before that, all of that, planning. The last is coordination, concept, and importance. तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में टोटल डिस्कशन करना है इन 5 एरियाज में. मैनेजमेंट, मीनिंग, ऑब्जेक्टिव, इंपॉर्टेंस, साइंस, आर्ट एंड प्रोफेशन, levels of management, functions of management in brief, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. The last one is coordination, meaning and importance. Okay. Now, chapter number 2 is of principles of management. The principles of management, the first topic you must go through the concept, means the meaning of principles of management and the significance. What is the significance of understanding management principles? Second part है बेटा इसमें Fayol's principles of management. 14 principles are given by Mr. Fayol, Henry Fayol. And the third part is Taylor scientific management, principles and technique. Both should be taken separately. Principles अलग हैं इनके और technique अलग है. Now, chapter number 3, business environment. Business environment is consisting of meaning of business environment and importance of understanding business environment. ये importance of understanding business environment important topic है. इस पर questions कई बार पहले भी पूछे जा चुके हैं. Second one is dimension of business environment, which is consisting of economic, social, technological, political, and legal. A pastel model already gone through with you in the previous classes. तो उसके बाद है demonetization, the concept and feature. ये demonetization का नया concept है, तो एक बार इसको seriously जरा देख लेंगे. Then planning, chapter number 4. Planning का meaning, importance and limitations. Important topic in the planning is planning process. Planning की process के जो steps हैं वो एक बार seriously लिख कर practice करेंगे. Next one is types of plan, single use and standing plan, single use plan and standing plan. इनके objective, example, objective, strategy, policy, procedure, method, rule, budget and program. So इनका individual meaning भी learn करना बहुत जरूरी है. Next one is chapter number 5th, organizing. Organizing का meaning और उसका importance. Next one is organizing process. Next, structure of an organization. It may be functional structure and divisional structure. The next one is type of organization. Exam में स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो फंक्शनल और डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं वो लोग, और यदि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के टाइप की बात कर रहे हैं तो 2 टाइप के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर्मल एंड सेकंड वन इज इनफॉर्मल. नेक्स्ट वन इज delegation. Delegation means sharing of task by a senior with his subordinate. इसका meaning elements, 3 element. First one is authority, second responsibility, third is accountability. और इस delegation का importance क्या है organization में, इसको हम discuss करेंगे. The next one is decentralization. Decentralization means systematic distribution of decision making authority in whole organization. This meaning plus importance of decentralization. Sometimes they can ask you to differentiate delegation with decentralization. The chapter number 6, staffing, meaning and importance. Next one is staffing is a part of human resource management concept. So importance of management concept. Which one? Human resource management concept. You must go through. What question can be asked from this topic? They can ask you the duties of HR manager. Next one is staffing process. Staffing process elements, steps आप याद रखें. जैसे first one है estimating manpower requirements. Second one is recruitment. Third one is selection. Next, placement and orientation, training, etc. Then recruitment, meaning and its process. Selection, meaning and its process. Sometime they can ask you to differentiate selection with the recruitment. Next one, training and development. इनका meaning, importance and method of training. Basically on the job training and off the job training. On the job training और off the job training में कभी कभी वो difference और इनकी importance पर भी question आ जाते हैं. बहुत लिमिटेड सिलेबस रह गया है इस पर. इसमें वेस्टिबल ट्रेनिंग, अप्रेंटिसशिप ट्रेनिंग एंड इंटर्नशिप ट्रेनिंग, 3 चीज ही याद रखनी बेटा टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग में. वेस्टिबल, अप्रेंटिसशिप और इंटर्नशिप ट्रेनिंग. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है. नेक्स्ट वन इज डायरेक्टिंग. डायरेक्टिंग मीनिंग और उसका इंपॉर्टेंस. आप पीछे से देख रहे होंगे कि जितने भी चैप्टर आ रहे हैं उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, तो इंपॉर्टेंस जरूर ध्यान रखें. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग 4 है. लीडरशिप, मोटिवेशन, कम्युनिकेशन एंड सुपरविजन. तो इसमें पहला जो टॉपिक रहेगा मोटिवेशन पर रहेगा. मोटिवेशन में मास्लो थ्योरी ऑफ नीड या मास्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड, लेवल्स ऑफ नीड, फिजियोलॉजिकल, साइकोलॉजिकल, सोशल, you have already gone through. Financial and non-financial incentives to motivate people. तो मोटिवेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट, मोटिवेशन में मास्लो का थियोरी का रोल, और उसके बाद फाइनेंशियल और नॉन फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स के टाइप्स. क्वेश्चन जो आता है आपको एग्जाम में कई बार एग्जाम्पल दिया होगा, पूछ सकते हैं कि बताइए कौन सा फाइनेंशियल है या नॉन फाइनेंशियल है, और उसका पर्टिकुलर नेम आपको लर्न करना होगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज लीडरशिप स्टाइल. बहुत फेमस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. 3 स्टाइल फेमस है, अथॉरिटेटिव, डेमोक्रेटिक एंड लेजस फेयर, और इसको हम फ्री रीन भी कहते हैं. फ्री रीन मीन्स लेट द सबऑर्डिनेट कंप्लीट द टास्क. द सीनियर हैज फुल फेथ ऑन द सबऑर्डिनेट्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज कम्युनिकेशन, मीनिंग फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन का मीनिंग. बैरियर्स टू इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, क्वेश्चन कई बार पूछा जा चुका है इससे. सेमेंटिक बैरियर, organizational barrier, social barrier. Next important question, how to overcome the barriers. Barriers से हम कैसे निपटे, कैसे फेस करें उन्हें. ठीक है, तो इसमें बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है barriers, types of barriers of effective communication. Next one is controlling, meaning and importance. Relationship between planning and controlling. Example, planning is base for the controlling and controlling provide the base for upcoming planning. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा क्वेश्चन है. इसमें 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन नॉर्मली वो पूछते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. नाउ दिस may conclude the part A. The part B, the first one is financial management concept, role of financial manager and objectives of financial management. Next one is discuss the 3 financial decisions and factor affecting. The 3 financial decisions are investment, financing, and dividend decision. Then come to the financial planning, meaning and importance, very, very important. why financial planning is an important activity of financial manager. This is a very important question. Next one is capital structure, meaning and factors affecting the choice of appropriate capital structure. This is normally a sure question. Next one is fixed capital and working capital, meaning of these two concepts and factors affecting the requirement of fixed capital and working capital. Important question, factors affecting the requirement of working capital. Next one is financial market. Financial market, meaning of financial market and meaning of capital market. There are two segments of financial market. One is money market, another one is capital market. Now, the third one, concept of capital market, its part are primary capital market and secondary capital market. Difference between primary and secondary capital market plus difference between capital market and money market. Next one is stock exchange. Important question from examination point of view. Its functions generally asked in the board examination. Must go through. Now, discuss the process of trading. This is a new concept. Must go through. Normally, there is a possibility of this question. Maybe they are in the board examination. Next one is give the meaning of depository service, demat account used in trading process. What is depository and what is demat account? This may be asked in the examination. Functions of SEBI, three type of functions. One is regulatory, second one is developmental, third is protective functions. Now, the very important topic is chapter is marketing, meaning of marketing, explain the features of marketing, discuss the functions of marketing, and explain the marketing philosophies. 5 philosophies you must go through: product concept or product philosophy, production, marketing, societal, and the last one is selling concept. Now, the marketing mix, meaning of marketing mix and its elements. There are 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion mix. Next, the content of product. One is branding, labeling, packaging. You must understand the concept, their concept, as well as the functions of these branding, labeling, and packaging in marketing process. Now, the important topic is factors affecting pricing of a product. Very, very important question. Next one is physical distribution. Physical distribution meaning plus component of physical distribution like transportation, assorting, etc. Next one is description of channels of distribution, 0 level or 1 level, 2 level, 3 level. Next one is promotion, meaning of promotion mix plus understanding of meaning of advertising, sales promotion, public relation, and promotion techniques, sales promotion techniques. You can look at this point again. Understanding the concept of promotion as element of marketing mix. Description of elements of marketing mix. Important topic is advertising. Next one is sales promotion. Next one is public relation. You can see one thing is not here, that is personal selling is not here. So don't concentrate more on personal selling. The last chapter is consumer protection. The consumer protection, a very simple and good question, interesting question may be asked, that is, what are the rights of consumer? So please understand the meaning of consumer protection. Describe the importance of consumer protection, why consumer protection is important for the consumers. Next one is discuss the scope of Consumer Protection Act 2019. Now, Consumer Protection Act has a variety of question. Very much important question is consumer rights. And you must understand the responsibility as the second part of one coin. Now, who can file the complaint and what is the legal redressal machinery under the Consumer Protection Act? 3-tier, that is district level, state level, and national level. Now, the remedies available to a consumer under Consumer Protection Act 2019, and the last but not the least, the importance of the role of NGO in protecting consumer interest. So this is the conclusion of 80 marks theory. 20 marks are meant for project work. The project work will be selected by your mentor. Thank you. Have a nice day.